The Knowledge Zone presents the 5 best mini fridge for beer. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Kooluli Electric Cooler and Warmer. This fridge gives you a unique twist. Not only does it act as a cooler with its portable thermoelectric system, but it can also act as a warmer. All you need to do is flip a switch and you can warm up your beverages if you prefer. This fridge comes in 4 different colors and can operate on a DC system. Plug it into your vehicle with a 6.5-foot cable and you can have cold drinks at the ready for your next road trip, or keep it at home with the AC connection to have cold beers at the ready. At this price, with those options, it's difficult to ignore the value being offered. Coming of our list at number 4. Winterbeer 091WS Beverage Refrigerator. Although this beer fridge has a limited capacity at 90 cans, it provides a better consistency to the temperature output. The transparent glass door is trimmed with stainless steel, backed by a white exterior, which has nice optics for almost any space. Temperature controls go from 30°F to 65°F, so you can support virtually any style of beer at the optimal temperature. LED lighting in the interior is included and it comes with a cylinder lock and 2 keys. You won't need to worry about someone coming in to steal your beer with this fridge around. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Uber Appliance UBCH1 Uber Chill Mini Fridge. Uber Appliance's compact and portable cooler warmer mini fridge keeps drinks cool or warm and ready to serve within arm's reach. The mini fridge includes a removable food shelf for extra food storage. The thermoelectric fridge comes with home and car electric plug-ins and automatic temperature control. Built with a rugged and durable construction that can hold a capacity of 4-liter or 6 can. This mini fridge is capable of cooling down to 32°F below room temperature and heats up to 150°F. The Uber Appliance Personal Mini Fridge is perfect for the home, office, nursery and your car, boat or RV. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. Edgestar KC2000 Full-Size Kegerator and Keg Beer Cooler. Easily the most party-oriented choice on the list, this Kegerator beer fridge is perfect for those that want something that can be used for entertaining large parties whilst still being usable the rest of the time. The Edgestar full-size Kegerator and Keg Beer Cooler has large of space and can be used to keep either a full keg of beer perfectly chilled, or a half keg and up to 35 of your favorite beverages and dips in one convenient upper compartment. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Edgestar BWC120 SSLT. The Edgestar BWC120 SSLT is probably the most straightforward beverage center we tested and proved to be perfectly adequate. On the outside, we like the silver trim all around the glass door, as well as the LED internal lighting. The door lock is also a nice touch, and it was the only fridge we tested with a bottle rack. Considering its middling performance and a high $289 price, however, it doesn't seem to offer any tangible advantage over the wine enthusiast model, especially if you're a fan of cans. For more information, check out the description underneath the video.
Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.